Welcome to the series on mixing green. All landscape artists know that there are times when the landscape is confusing with green on green on green. We're going to work through the green chart here using 3 yellows and 2 different blues with the purpose of building up your color mixing library so that you can refer to that in the future. Feel free to use these colors or your own shades of yellow and blue. To avoid some confusion, let's just clear this up now because green is a cool color. How could it be warm? So talking about a warm green, we're talking about a comparison or a relative color. We create the warm green by adding more yellow and the cool by adding more blue. And the shade of green will depend on the original source of blue and yellow. Okay, back to our color mixing. You may want to pause the video here to get the actual list of colors. However, you can use whatever yellows and blues you have in your painting kit. As we go through this chart, what we're capturing is the warm color, the neutral color or medium color, and the cool color. You'll notice that the cool color is not showing up very well due to the film lighting, but you'll get another clear shot of it in a few minutes. The application is definitely in nature where sunlight hitting a surface warms it up, leaving the shadows to be a much cooler color. So having warm and cool on your palette is very important to capture the scene and make it look realistic. Using the same yellows, we're now pulling out phthalo blue, which is a very heavy pigmented color. It requires a lot less blue to really dramatically affect the color. And the color itself is more vibrant. The big difference between the phthalo and the ultramarine blue is ultramarine blue has red in it. The complementary color of green, therefore it neutralizes the green and makes it duller. Having done your chart, as soon as you start to see a scene, you immediately start to notice the cool and warm colors. The artist suddenly describes the scene as being a highly saturated phthalo warm green in the foreground with a desaturated blue-green in the background. And in this early morning scene, the distant mountains have actually turned a purple color. And here, the left side of the screen is a very saturated, warm color. Well, on the right, it is a very desaturated, cool color. Looking at colors in warm and cool colors solves the green on green problem. Hope you enjoyed.